Good day, students. Welcome to our EIP class. Our topic for this week is nature. But this week we will study about nature above. Okay? This is the sun. Let's spell S-U-N. Sun. This is the moon. Let's spell M-O-O-N. Moon. These are stars. Let's spell S-T-A-R-S. Stars. This is a cloud. Let's spell C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. This is a rainbow. Let's spell rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Okay. God bless you. Activity 1 for K1 EIP. Our topic is about nature above. Trace the words and color. Cut and color the pictures below, which is for K1. I cut already. Okay, you have the sticker. This is for activity 2. So this one first. Let's trace nature above. Sorry about my line. So the first one is sun. So write sun. And then color. Okay, you will do the same thing with moon, stars, cloud, and rainbow. Okay? Good job. God bless you. Activity 2, EIP. Our topic is nature above. So for K1, I have the cut papers already. For K2 and K3 are this. And you have to cut it. Okay? Cut, cut, cut. Use the scissors properly. And you will have something like this. Okay? And you have to color. So, I will color this one. For example, the sun. Okay? Let's color. And then, when you color the others, it will look something like this. The rainbow, the stars, the moon, and the cloud doesn't need to color because it's already white. Now, let's get this one. Okay. We will color the top portion because we will put the nature above. Okay? Okay. So, if you see a line here, maybe we can put borders. So, let's say that this is the sky. Okay. We can put half. So, this will be blue. Okay, I will pause and I will color it fast. So, this one I colored already with blue. The next half, I will color with black. Okay, I'm almost finished coloring with black. You can pause this video, okay? Pause the video and color. Just like what teacher did. I pause, stop the video and color, okay? And then this will be the day and the night. So what can we see above when it's daytime? Okay, we can see the stars. No, not the stars. Here's the sun. Put it here. The clouds can be day or night, but it's more visible during daytime. And the rainbow here. And in the evening, you can see the moon and the stars. Okay, so this is our, I'll do like this, nature from above. We'll make a fan. So you see these popsicle sticks. Okay, you can take this out and put it at the back. Okay, stick it on. Oops, put it in the center. There you go. So it will be like this. But we're still not finished. Next week, we will study about nature below. Okay? Good job. God bless you.